Liberty's Kids was made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Doink. PBS Kids.
No need to look around. The best is yet to come on WETA Kids.
Wouldn't it be fun if Clifford were your dog? You could win lots of races, you could make funny faces, you could take a ball and juggle, and best of all, you could snuggle. Well, when you watch Clifford the Big Red Dog, he is your dog.
Monday through Friday on WETA Kids. You're watching WETA Kids on WETA Washington. Funding for Arthur is provided by
Juicy Juice. We're behind Arthur 100%. Of course, that's how we do everything. Juicy Juice. 100% juice.
Post Alphabet Cereal. 26 little letters that spell the names, that tell the world who we are, and help us make the friends that make the world a nicer place to be. Post Alphabets is proud to spell your name and bring you Arthur on PBS.
Chuck E. Cheese's. Proud supporters of PBS Kids. Opening the door to all the fun and joy of learning. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
And by a grant from the United States Department of Education through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting. And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.